Welcome to WPPathFinder.com. In this tutorial I will show how to solve 404 error after hosting transfer of your WordPress website. Log into your WordPress admin panel. Go to Permalink section from the settings. Choose any option and click Save Changes. Once your permalink setting is saved, you have to select the post name option again and save your settings again. Basically this will help you updating all of your permalinks in the server. Your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share the video. Subscribe us to get more WordPress customization videos.